Hey guys, this Crypto Marishi does it all, a little bit of everything. How Bitcoin traders are preparing ahead of inflation data and what comes next. Bitcoin has been hovering above $111,000 a day ahead of a new U.S. inflation data that will play a big role in determining whether the Federal Open Markets Committee lowers interest rates for a second time in 2025. Three analysts with whom the Crypt spoke differ about how the largest asset by market capitalization might respond. Bitcoin was recently changing hands at $111,336, down 1.8% over the past 24 hours and 5.4% since this time last week, according to crypto price aggregator CoinGecko. The Bitcoin price Malice has made users of Marriott a prediction market owned by the crypto parent company destined doubt that the world's oldest cryptocurrency will see $125,000 anytime soon. As of Thursday morning, 61% of users think Bitcoin will drop to 105,000 before it approaches an all-time high. I have seen it at 124,000. Nobody's talking about it. I don't know why. I should have taken some type of a screenshot of it so people don't think I'm lying. I was on my break. I'm like, my goodness, Bitcoin hit 124,000. Okay, tomorrow's PCE point is important because it is the Fed's inflation gauge, and crypto traders should watch for any deviation from the expected 2.7 to 2.9% year-over-year reading. Jake Kennis, a senior research analyst at Nansen, told the Tweet, higher than expected inflation could signal more hawkish Fed policy and risk of sentiment that typically pressures crypto market. A cooler than expected inflation reading, however, could lead to another interest rate cut, which would likely spring Bitcoin and the rest of the crypto market from its recent holding pattern, Kenneth added. Economists have been forecasting that Bureau of Labor Statistics core personal consumption expenditures will arrive on the higher end of that range at 2.99%, according to recent estimates from the Federal Reserve Bank of Cleveland. At the time of writing, investors think there is an 83.4% chance the Fed will lower interest rates at its FOMC meeting next month, according to the CME FedWatch tool. That means the odds that the Fed will leave rates unchanged has doubled in the past week, going from 8.1% to 16.6% at the time of writing. Again, inflation is going to beat us. How the crypto market is going to react, it is to be seen. Subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.